Hey everybody, it's me, Trader Max, here on July 31st, 2024, right around noontime-ish, as we settle into another coin read for the CTO of Pojak. Let's get started. All right, now we're here on Pojak, and it is holding nicely at 874 market cap, 874,000 market cap. Okay, so let's be very considerate. Listen, yesterday we found this descending trend happening to the floor, which was okay because we had a lot of stuff going on, right? We hit that million the other day. Right? We hit the million the other day. We were loving life. This is a natural channel of fluctuation. Be strong. If you see it starting to dip down, don't start panicking because it established the floor right here for this level. This is what started our little Fibonacci descending trend model of, as it, just like I said yesterday, it's going to push down. It's going to create pressure on this floor. This is a support area. Okay, support area, very powerful, 650. Okay, and as it was coming down, things are releasing out there in the world. You know, a lot of stuff is happening. This is starting to get more momentum. There's a lot of other people watching this that may not be directly in the community, may not know what's going on. So this isn't just organization of a great community, which it's partly of, but it's also the world starting to react, and this is where I shine. Yesterday, I wrote out this Fibonacci process here, where we bring it down to the floor. We started our little kind of our stabilization here. If we start seeing double tops, we want to really start to track this. And as it drops down, it puts pressure here. And what I said yesterday, if you buy in the moment that this really establishes one right about here, okay, it should go right to about here, which it did within that period of time that I said. It's not that I have a crystal ball. I just know the human element. I just know trading. I just know fluctuation of markets. This is what my expertise is. Now, what about today? Because yes, I know, told you so, right? But no, this is what I do for a living. I have 20 years experience reading charts and systems and people and communities, and I love this community anyway, and I kind of know where they're at. So I can kind of depict where it's going to be going, right? Others would certainly fail at this point, but these guys, they rise to the occasion. Now, where did it go? That's right, back to the mean. Everything goes back to the mean, and that's where this was at. We're going to hover here for a little bit as long as we see some pro-action here within the group and other things that are happening. It should vibrate at this level for a little while longer, unless there's nothing too crazy going on the negative side. We should probably drop back down, and now we're playing in between these two zones. Oh, I don't want to move that one, not that. I want to move that. There you go. We should be bouncing in here, creating positive pressure here. We don't have an established top yet in this mean area. If it does push up in, okay, either or, where's it going to go? Yep, that's right, it's going to go up towards this 75% up to the ceiling. So should end in here. If it ends up at any time where it establishes a good hold above the mean, okay, because remember the mean is just an area, it's not a line. So you want it to be to the outskirt of that line. You want it to be right about here for it to really create action, right? If it does create to here, if it pushes up to this area and it goes past the area of this high right here, now you're going to end up in this area. So this would be another good buying signal there. If it still drops down, it's going to go what? The mean of the mean, right? Right about here. If it starts to drop down at this level, why do I do that line right there? Well, because this is another line, a priority line. If I go over to a 1 hour chart, I could go back and see. Right there, being fickle, right there and right about there, right? And also it's on the Fibonacci as well. All right, so we want it to go, you see this 0.382, we want this thing to drop back down. If it is, it's going to bounce off of here and go back up again. So if it does happen to hit down here, this is another buying point. Okay, this 762 area, if it ends up anywhere in this area, about 10 to 15,000 market cap, this is another buying point. You buy in, put your $100 in or whatever it is, it's $50. Once it goes up to a point of 50% return, reduce 75% of your coin from that buy there. Not of your bag, of the buy that you're in here, of you injection traders. All right. All right, remember, so if it ends up either one, right? Ends up back down here, goes back down. Of course, hold your bags. Don't be ridiculous, right? Come back down. If it bends up in here, this is a good buying point for the up because it's going to go where? That's right, back to the mean. And if it's here, where's it going to go? It's going to go up to about 75% of this area right about here. Okay, so either one, these are two good buying points that'll be in here for all you guys into following my trading process. Speaking of which, over on TraderMaxx, if you're watching this and you don't know where to go, inside the description, there's a link to TraderMaxx/Pojak, where we have all the links and tickers and everything else you got. You can even look at the charts here and see where we're at here. They've got the dev story. You got all my history down below here as well on the, let me scroll up here, right there it is. So any of the videos that I've done, this is a playlist here. You can also watch it directly on YouTube, and you can go to their websites and all that kind of stuff right here. All right. Make sure that you like and share and follow. Kiss it, love it, and we'll see you next time. I'm Trader Max, and as always, trade well.